Understanding acrid. Boost your IELTS vocabulary. Imagine walking into a room filled with a sharp, unpleasant smell that makes you wrinkle your nose and want to leave immediately. That's the power of something acrid. Today, we're exploring this potent word that can elevate your descriptive language for the IELTS exam. Word type. Acrid is primarily used as an adjective, meaning acrid describes something that has a sharp, bitter smell or taste that is typically so strong it causes a burning sensation. It can also be used figuratively to describe language or a person's manner as harsh and unpleasant. Word history. The word acrid entered the English language in the mid-17th century. It comes from the Latin word acre, meaning sharp or pungent. This same root gives us words like acerbic and acrimony, all carrying connotations of sharpness or bitterness. Antonyms. Some antonyms for acrid include pleasant, fragrant, sweet, and mild. These words represent the opposite sensory experiences or temperaments to what acrid describes. Synonyms. Synonyms for acrid include pungent, caustic, bitter, sharp, and astringent when referring to smell or taste. In its figurative sense, synonyms might include harsh, biting, sardonic, or vitriolic. Examples used in sentences: the acrid smoke from the factory chimneys stung their eyes and made breathing difficult. Her acrid comments about the company's policies left a sour atmosphere in the boardroom. The chef was disappointed to find that the sauce had an acrid taste due to the burnt garlic. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing acrid with acidic. While both can describe sharp or biting qualities, acidic specifically relates to pH levels or a sour taste, whereas acrid is broader and often implies an unpleasant burning sensation. Another error is using acrid to describe visual elements. Remember, acrid primarily relates to smell and taste, or figuratively to manner and speech. It would be incorrect to say an acrid color or an acrid landscape. Mastering the word acrid can significantly enhance your descriptive vocabulary for the IELTS exam. Its versatility in describing both literal sensory experiences and figurative interactions makes it a powerful tool for precise and evocative language use. Remember its core meaning of sharp unpleasantness, whether in smell, taste, or temperament, and you'll be well equipped to employ this word effectively in your writing and speaking tasks.